Hi my lovely people and welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena and today's video is going to be on this soft sparkly pink smoky Valentine's Day date night look, and I think this is the perfect look to wear for this special occasion or even for simply a date night. So if you would like to see how I created this sparkling pink smoky look, then please keep watching. All the products that I'll be using will be linked in the description box below. So if you're ready, let's begin. I've already moisturized my skin, and for primer I'm going to use something that I haven't picked up in ages, and that is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So I'm going to get this onto my skin and blend it out with my fingers. So for foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Tahoe. This foundation provides a naturally glow finish and it also hydrates my skin. I really like the way that this looks on my skin and gives that kind of flawless complexion. And for the concealer, I'm grabbing my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger and get that onto all the places that I want to brighten and highlight, and then blend out with my concealer brush as always. Now I'm going to set everything in place using the HUDA Beauty Loose Powder in Blondie. Before going on and set all my face, I'm really just focusing this onto the areas where I applied my concealer, mostly underneath my eyes and my eyelids. And finally, I lightly dust it all over my skin. I'm going to grab my Hoola bronzer in Caramel from Benefit and get that onto the perimeters on my face and have that like a kind of like natural tanned complexion. And I'm just going to make sure everything is looking nice and blended. Today I'm going to use the Urban DECAY Stoned Vibes eyeshadow palette, then grabbing a transition color, so I used the Hex eyeshadow and I just pressed and ran this mostly on the outer corner of my eyelids. Then using a clean blending brush, I blend out this shade and soften it across my crease. Next, I'm taking a more intense brown shade, which is the third eye color, and apply it over my transition color, and again using my blending brush, I'm blending in all the colors, which leaves a seamless finish. Once this is done, I move on with a flat brush and taking this pinkish purple metallic shade and running this onto the outer corner of my eyes, which gives a very pop-up look. Then sorting out the lower lash line, I'm taking the same Hex eyeshadow and I'm just applying that underneath the outer corners of my eyes and making sure that they are as even as possible, just to give that nice kind of rounded finish effect. And grabbing the same raw energy metallic shade and running that across the rest of my lash line. So to get done with my brows, I'm grabbing my ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pommade in a dark brown and using this wing liner brush from Sigma, I kind of outline the half end of my brows and carve that shape out in kind of long strokes and try to fill in the space. And then once I'm done with that, I do the exact same thing to the inner half part of my brows with less product. Using the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in black, I'm going to apply it over the upper lash line by drawing a small line, and I'm keeping the eyeliner very close to my lash line. To tight line, I'm going to be using the same Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil. By applying this eyeliner over my upper and lower waterlines, this helps to really intensify my look. And now I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes. For lashes, I'm using the Red Cherry lashes and it gives that glamorous look you're looking for this special occasion. And then I went in straight with the mascara and grabbing this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, which I have been obsessed with as a day-to-day mascara because it's absolutely fab, and I'm putting that on my lashes. For the cheeks, I use this gorgeous powder blush by the BALM. just leaves your skin and your cheeks looking so fresh and so amazing. To add a bit of highlight, I'm using the manizer sisters and rubbing that onto the high point of my cheeks and then just applying that onto the usual highlighting points. Next up is the lips. So I'm taking this Bourjois lipstick here in the shade 13 and applying all over my lips. And to give that extra red lip look, I'm slightly dotting the liquid lipstick from Bourjois in Rouge and then pretty much apply it and then blend it with my lips self to make sure that it's nice and seamless. And that, guys, is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you liked it. It's a perfect like sparkling pink yet smoky look to wear for Valentine's Day. And yeah, I would also like to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so I will see you soon. Take care, bye!